other news, what would you do if you paid off your car only to have it repossessed by the very dealership you bought it from? That's what happened to a Nashville woman who believes her lack of English made her an easy target. But as Shannon Royster reports, she hired an attorney and fought back. Shannon.
Well, that attorney told me this isn't the first time United Imports on Nolensville Road has been accused of doing this. He found a similar case that was taken all the way to the Court of Appeals against the same dealership.
Maria Hernandez recently arrived here with her family from Mexico. She was pregnant, didn't speak English, and needed a vehicle. After landing a full-time job at McDonald's, she walked into United Imports, put down $3,500 in cash as a down payment for a 2002 Toyota Sequoia. But a month after paying it off, she says United Imports had it repossessed.
She said that she felt so bad, and she was working so hard to get it, to buy a new car.
United Imports told Maria she owed more money. When she refused to pay, they sold the car to someone else.
They effectively stole her money, stole her car, and refused to give her anything back.
Maria's attorney, Larry Crane, filed suit in circuit court under what's called the Tennessee Consumer Protection Act.
It's designed for businesses that engage in deceptive trade practices. And the law allows for what we call treble damages when a business preys on people like Maria.
Maria never received a title, there was no contract, and United Imports shredded all the records. So in the end,
in this case, the court not only found fraud, it found deceptive trade practices, it found wrongful repossession or conversion. It awarded her more money than she was seeking.
We stopped by United Imports to get their side of the story, but was told to contact their attorney, Johnny Ellis. Ellis says the only evidence of the transaction were her receipts for payments. When you do the math, it doesn't add up. She still owed at least $2,500. As a result of the judge's decision, she was not required to pay any interest on the loan, even though she admitted she knew she had to pay 21%.
And Maria's attorney, however, tells us she overpaid the interest. The judge agreed and awarded her $36,000. After another judgment next week, she could get an additional $40,000. Vicki?
All right, thanks so much, Shannon. So that something like this doesn't happen to you, make sure you demand all of your lending statements, bill of sales, and promissory note. And if at all possible, never make payments in cash.